Creepy theories and hypotheses. The afterlife. Grave punishment. 1996. A group of independent researchers in the field of thanatology, the study of death, decided to carry out a forbidden experiment. The idea was simple and horrifying: to test whether the dead truly experience conscious torment in the hours immediately after death, as some religious concepts claim. In particular, the Islamic theory of grave punishment. The subject was a 40-year-old man, Saeed, name changed, sentenced to death for violent crimes. Before his execution, he gave consent to participate. Early that morning, the sentence was carried out. Shortly after, his body was buried at a depth of 2 meters inside a specially designed coffin, equipped with a night vision camera, microphone, and motion sensors. An observer also took part, a man who agreed to be buried nearby for 24 hours to monitor any anomalies. At first, there was silence, just faint soil movements and static. But 34 minutes after burial, the first sound came. A raspy breath, a muffled groan like damaged vocal cords. Then, scratching. Minutes later, Saeed began to scream. The camera showed his lips moving, as if trying to speak. The audio was distorted, a twisted mix of whispers and moans filled with agony. The observer above ground trembled as the speakers relayed the words. Hot, dark, who's here? They're close. His cries grew chaotic, pleading for help. Sobs, desperate pounding on the coffin lid. And then something else, a deep, inhuman voice not belonging to Saeed. After 1 hour and 7 minutes, all sound suddenly stopped. Motion sensors recorded a sharp drop in activity. Then, absolute silence. The observer, unearthed the next day, was in shock. He confirmed that all night he had heard voices and movements in the coffin next to him. When Saeed's grave was opened, his body was still in place, but his face was frozen in indescribable terror, his nails broken and bloody. What if grave punishment is not just a metaphor, but a reality hidden from us? Thank you for watching.